Hi, I'm here to explain why you need to shut up and dream. Humans are really good at solving problems. We like talking and thinking to figure things out, whether it's disaster response or starting a business or just learning how to use our words. We're really good at reason and logic. But reason and logic can only take us so far. Einstein said that the problems we face today can't be solved by the same level of thinking that created them. At some point, we have to tap into the vast part of our brain that's nonlinear, so we can get insights we can't access through our waking minds. In other words, we need to dream. History is full of discoveries that have come through dreams. Kekulé was looking for the structure of benzene when he fell asleep at his desk, and he dreamed that the atoms were circling together like a snake, and then the snake seized its own tail, and he awoke with a start and realized that benzene was a circular molecule. James Cameron was still a struggling artist when he dreamed of this half-chrome, half-human figure rising from the flames. He woke up and thought, nobody's ever done that in a movie before. And that's how the Terminator came into all of our dreams. So, dream discoveries don't come every day, but there are ways we can encourage the process. We've all heard somebody say, sleep on it before making a big decision. But it's not just any kind of sleep that helps us, it's REM sleep. REM sleep cycles get longer as the night progresses. So in one study, the group that worked on a problem in the evening then took 8 hours to sleep and then came back to it in the morning was twice as successful as any group. Because dreaming is essential to our cognitive functioning. It's how we integrate new skills and experiences. And if we're prevented from dreaming, we quickly are unable to think clearly. That's why pulling an all-nighter is such a bad idea, at least over the long term. We actually need to dream in order to master what we've just learned. So what are some problems we can solve with this? Well, I'm sure everybody here can think of one. How about starting with climate change? That's going to take an incredible amount of creative thinking. Or designing new batteries that are smaller and more powerful and lighter than what we have now. The dreams breakthroughs have touched pretty much every aspect of society, but we can also use them for personal challenges. We can ask about health issues. We can ask how to find a great job. Or we can say, well, is that place we were going to move to really such a good idea? Dreams are talking to us all the time, giving us advice, but we rarely notice them. There are ways, though, we can ask directly anytime we are looking for help. It's called incubating a dream. So first, work on the problem as much as you can. Have it be the last thing you think about before going to bed. Then sleep long enough so that you can remember a dream. Now, sometimes we get a dream that answers our problem right away. We see the obstacle, internal or external, that's preventing us from doing what we want. Or we can see just the next step in a much longer process. We could dream about somebody we haven't thought about in a long time, so we know it's time to get back in touch. What you need to do is follow your dream for as far as it takes you, and then if you get stuck again, just ask again. But when we ask dreams for advice, we have a responsibility to take that advice, because what we're trying to do is integrate our sleeping and waking minds. And the only way to strengthen that connection is to actually use it. So I want to talk about one more dream. It's the kind of dream that changes your entire life. When Einstein was a teenager, he dreamt of sledding faster and faster to the speed of light, and the stars turned colors he'd never seen before. He was filled with awe, and later in life he said his entire career had been a meditation on that one dream. So Western culture is actually built on dream technology, and it's never really left us. Dreaming for wisdom is a natural human capability, and it's about time we started using it again. But it takes courage to follow our dreams, as well as hard work and determination. On the other hand, the rewards are great, both personally and collectively. So the next time you are stuck on a problem and can't figure out which way to go next, just remember, work on it, then sleep on it, and shut up and dream. Thanks.